I have made more than 50 videos and I have never shown my face. Instead, I use an SAS avatar.
It takes less than 2 minutes to add, and here's how.
This is Stream Avatar Studio, a desktop app that gives you voice reactive pixel avatars. No camera, no face tracking, just your voice and this character does the talking. Here's how to get it into your videos. First, open Stream Avatar Studio and load your audio. You can record your own voice, or, like me, use CapCut's built-in text-to-speech feature. Before you start, choose the expression or pose you want to use. You might keep a normal pose for most of the video, then switch to a shocked, pointing, or excited pose when you want to emphasize something. Next, choose a solid background color. Green normally works well, but only if your avatar does not contain much green. If your character has green clothing, green eyes, or green details, use a different color such as blue, pink, or purple. The important thing is to choose a background color that is clearly different from every color in the avatar. This gives CapCut a clean color to remove later. Step 3. Set up the audio. You can animate your avatar in 2 ways. You can use microphone mode and speak live, or load a pre-recorded audio file into Stream Avatar Studio. I usually use pre-recorded narration because I can clean up the audio before recording the avatar. But microphone mode also works well for quick videos. Make sure your microphone sounds clear because the avatar reacts to your voice. Step 4. Recording in CapCut. Open CapCut and select its screen recording feature. Choose the area of the screen containing the Stream Avatar Studio window and start recording. Return to SAS and either begin speaking through your microphone or play your pre-recorded audio. The avatar will react to the voice while CapCut records it against the solid background. You can also switch between expressions and poses while recording. When the audio finishes, stop the screen recording. Step 5. Add the recording to your timeline. CapCut will now create a video clip of your avatar. Place that clip on the timeline above your main video footage. Resize or crop the recording so only the avatar and the colored background are visible. Step 6. Remove the background with Chroma key. Select the avatar recording and open CapCut's Chroma key controls. Use the color picker to select the green background or whichever background color you used in Stream Avatar Studio. CapCut will remove that color from the clip. Adjust the intensity and shadow settings until the background disappears without removing parts of the character. If the avatar starts becoming transparent, lower the intensity slightly. This is why choosing the correct background color at the beginning is so important. Step 7. Position the avatar. Once the background has been removed, the avatar behaves like a normal transparent video layer. You can resize it and place it in the corner of the screen while you explain something. You can move it into the center for a reaction, enlarge it for a joke, or place it beside text, gameplay, tutorials, or screen recordings. You can also add keyframes, transitions, zooms, sound effects, and other CapCut effects. The avatar is not locked inside a special plugin. Once it has been recorded and chroma keyed, you can edit it like any other video clip. And that is how I add a talking avatar to my channel. So tell me, do you think it adds more personality, or would you rather watch the video without it? Let me know in the comments. Content creation moves fast, and developing a recognizable character for your channel takes time. Then there's creating all the different expressions and poses, configuring software, and setting everything up for every new video. That's exactly why I built Stream Avatar Studio. Instead of spending hours getting everything working, I create a custom Stream Avatar Studio desktop application with your own avatar, mascot, or character already built in. It includes simple controls for switching expressions and actions, animation states like idle, talking, happy, angry, thinking, and surprised, and an OBS-friendly setup for recording or live streaming with either a green screen or transparent background where possible. You can spend less time setting up your avatar and more time creating great content, whether you use a PNGTuber, a cartoon mascot, or a voice reactive avatar. Remember that your character should support your content, not distract from it. Build something that's recognizable, expressive, and true to your personality, and you'll give viewers another reason to remember your channel and come back for more. If you want to learn more about creating voice reactive avatars, improving your videos, and growing your channel, consider liking the video and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.